Now this right here, this is what I come to WA for. She's a bit windy, but it is unreal. That water's so nice and clear.
Good morning!
Welcome back to another episode. As you would have seen last week, we were staying at the beautiful truck turnaround. We had some neighbours come in a bit later with a big flash caravan. Where are we going today?
We're going through Augusta, but close to Albany. It's a national park. I can't remember the name.
We're gonna go check out to see what Augusta has. Don't actually know. And then yeah, go find the camp spot, hopefully better than this.
Hopefully not fully though, because you don't make a booking.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Alright, yeah, off we go. Rightio, welcome to Augusta.
There's ducks. I've seen ducks crossing the road, literally walking across the road.
Yeah, we're just on a little creek, I think it is. A couple of people fishing over here. And there's a heap of boats and stuff over here, but that's about it. I think we're going to go do a cave, like explore a cave in a couple hours, but apart from that, we'll probably just go for a walk along the beach and do a bit of a drive around and see what we can find. But yeah, that opens at 9 and it is about 7:30. What time is it? Well, it's 8 o'clock, so we've got an hour. And we'll spend an hour walking along the beach and stuff. Show you anything cool. If not, we'll see you at the cave. A few people fishing, but I haven't seen anyone catch anything. I reckon that's what they're after, the old flathead or the whiting. Rightio, we've just made it to the Jewel Caves, about 10 minutes out of Augusta. We're a bit early, so I've just made a little coffee while we wait. Oh yeah, I just went and had a look in the door there. It's $24 per adult and $12 for kids. About an hour round tour, a guided tour. It also said that this is one of the largest cave systems in WA, so we'll have a look. Hopefully it's pretty good. We'll bring you along with us. So that was the Jewel Cave. It was actually pretty cool. Not a big cave guy, but
yeah, it's pretty cool.
I'd probably recommend doing it. Only 24 bucks, so she's pretty cheap. We are at the Cape of Augusta. I'm gonna butcher the name here, but I think it's Cape Leeuwin. I think.
I'm saying no.
Yeah, I don't know. There's a big lighthouse here though. So on this sign here it says that this side is the Southern Ocean and this side is the Indian Ocean. And that lighthouse marks the line of where the oceans meet. The more you know, eh? The more you know. There you go. Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean, meet in the middle. Yep, so that was the lighthouse, as you can see behind us. I think now we're gonna go try secure a camp spot so we don't end up like we did last night.
Yes, we're going to a national park. Sort of near Albany, but not, because we want to end up in Esperance by Tuesday.
Yeah, so I think it's about 100 k's away or something like that. Well, yeah, hopefully she's pretty good like this on the beach. But we'll have to see. Alrighty, we have made it to the campsite for the night. We're all set up. We were a little bit nervous coming in. I don't do much beach driving back home, and it's about 3 k's of just soft sand the whole way. So.
And also this isn't our car.
Yeah, and yeah, that as well. So a little bit nervous, but we're in now and all set up. There's a beach just over there.
I picked a good one.
How good's that?
I picked a good one.
This is what we've been wanting for the last sort of 5 days. We found it. Now we'll get down there, eh? Now this right here, this is what I come to WA for. It's a bit windy, but it is unreal. That water is so nice and clear.
It's cold. Getting absolutely hammered. I don't really want to get wet, so jacket for the breeze. And there is the jump. The waves are just and quickly, look at my little footsteps. Ah, he's gonna be cold. It's gonna be fun for me. Oh, look, he's running. Run, baby, run.
I think it's a bit too rough.
Oh, really?
Jesus Christ.
Thought I'd give you guys a bit of an update. I am the winner of at the moment. I'm scoring 9 wins. Kane is scoring 4. Anything you want to say?
Yeah, what?
Said I'm the winner. It's a guilty laugh.
Alrighty, Brittany wants to do a cooking with Brittany segment. So, here we go. What are we having today?
Today we're having garlic pork pesto wraps. So I've got all my ingredients. So as a topping, we've got split olives. This is marinated in garlic and herbs. We've got some basil pesto. We've got purple lettuce. It's actually better than green lettuce. Do you agree?
Yeah, that is good.
Some avocado. By the way, we got this, this, and this, and this, and this. Oh, he's not even showing you. From Bunbury markets, farmer markets. And look how perfect the onion looks. Do you agree?
Bloody good onion.
Yeah. And we just went to RGA and picked this up because it was pretty cheap. It was $6.83. And I'm just gonna slice it and then cut it into cubes.
And then mix it with pesto, garlic, and probably some garlic aioli as well in a bowl. Yeah! Rightio, it's got the garlic and onion in there. Brittany's just cutting up pork.
And we think there's probably a bit too much pork, but I was just thinking, I haven't shared this with Kane yet. We can probably put it in like a little bag somewhere.
Yeah. There's probably too much pork, but that's okay.
Because then we can have it for lunch tomorrow maybe. So, because we've been having ham sandwiches, maybe we can have pork soon.
So we're just going to chuck that in there and a bit of pesto as well. Yeah, should be good.
I'm turning Kane into a pesto boy. I'm going to put about this much, maybe even less, and see how that goes. Probably a little bit more.
Right, yeah, we got the pesto on the pork. Oh, good steamy. She's smelling good.
We got a lid. I didn't even know we had a lid.
Yeah, it is.
So I'm just trying to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. Like, see how the pork just stuck? Got a little bit burning. So, this is the end product. There's a bit of liquid, but that's just pesto sauce. So we'll just put that on our wraps. Kane might not because he doesn't like his liquidy. But I will.
Chuck him in here. I don't know about you, but if you don't cook your wrap, you got something wrong with you.
What's wrong with it, mate? It just makes it a little bit more crispier. Oh.
Righty, we're just making our wraps.
Kane always finds it funny because I eat everything. Like, I like all salads and stuff, and his always looks bland.
Yeah, look at hers, looks all nice and flash. Mine's just meat, cheese, lettuce. Oh, and some olives I'll chuck on, and a bit of sauce. But that's it, and then we're gonna go sit at a little bench over there and get into it. Rightio, mate, there's the finished product. There's her, she's already had a bite. Any good?
Very good.
Got a bit of a view here for dinner. Very good. Rightio, we just finished our wrap. Brittany wants us to do a rating on dinner, so we'll start off with you, mate.
20 out of 10. Obviously, because I'm the chef.
20 out of 10. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. There's nothing wrong with it. You can't fault it, so. She's a ripper, mate. Good wrap. Well, we're going to leave this here because she's getting dark. We're just going to go back to the camp and play a few games of a few beers and stuff. But that's about it. So, we will see you next week. Hope you enjoyed today. We're just going to sit here and enjoy the view until the sun goes down. But thanks for watching. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.